We're going to talk about 103. Why can't I have it all?
The first thing you want to do is go to the announcement page and find the easy button. You're going to click on that easy button and it's going to open up the resource page. On that resource page, you're going to find the template for costs and benefits 103. When you click on that, it's going to open up this page here that shows you your T-chart. It's going to open up in a word processing document. It's going to give you directions, your dilemma, your T-chart, and then the reflection questions. So let's go through these. The first thing you're deciding upon is the dilemma. Dilemma is a problem that offers two possibilities. So for this assignment, you're going to come up with a dilemma, should I blank? And whatever your dilemma is, it needs to be answered in a yes or no. Should you do blank? Is that a yes or a no? And you're going to come up with that answer. To come up with that answer, you're going to be analyzing starting with costs and benefits chart. This is your T-chart. Alright, you're going to come up with costs, and costs are trade-offs or negative things, right, kind of cons, and the benefits are an advantage. They're the positives. You need to list at least 3 costs and 3 benefits. Once you've listed at least 3 costs and 3 benefits, you're going to identify which costs and benefits are short-term and which are long-term. You can see from the example in the chart, just list the ST for short-term next to each, or the LT next to the long-term. Generally speaking, it matters upon your dilemma which is a short-term or long-term, but anything over 6 months more than likely is going to turn into a long-term. Once you have that done, you're going to work on your reflection questions. There are 3 reflection questions. The first one being, explain how the concepts of scarcity, choice, and opportunity cost relate to your dilemma. So, when you define scarcity, you're looking at limited resources. What resource was limited in your decision? Why you had to make a choice. When you look at choice, it's the range of things that could be chosen. And lastly, your opportunity cost. It's the most valued alternative. It's what you gave up. If you choose to do A, what did you give up with B?
Let's look at an example.
So we're talking about scarcity, choice, and opportunity cost. So, as a dilemma, here's an example. Should I give my children candy? Now the scarcity is, I only have 2 pieces of candy. So I could give those 2 pieces of candy. But, you know, we do have a scarcity of it. So, it's that choice whether I'm going to do that or not. Okay? My opportunity cost is, though, I could not give them candy. And the alternative would be, I could give them all a carrot. So that's part of our choice. Scarcity, scarcity of candy, and the most viable alternative being carrot sticks. Maybe not the best choice, though.
When you get to the next reflection question, you're going to analyze making a decision. The costs and benefits that were equally important to you, okay, why or why not, and based on your chart, explain which category costs or benefits would have the largest impact on your decision. Then on question 3, based on the chart and your responses to the above questions, what will be your final decision? You're going to write a paragraph with at least 3 details to persuade your instructor that this is the best decision. Once you have that completed, you're going to save and you're going to submit into assignment 103, Why Can't I Have It All? Now, if you've submitted once and you have to resubmit, you're going to go through your gradebook tab and go back in here to 103, upload that file, and it will have it in for 103. And there you have it. You've now completed 103. Congratulations.